Hello, welcome back to my channel, Smart Idea TV. My name still remains Lookman, and today I want to quickly show you how to calculate your stop loss and take profit if you are doing forex trading. There is what we call stop loss and take profit. The take profit will allow you to set a place where when you reach your target, the the market automatically take your profit for you and keep. And the stop loss means that this is the number of risk I'm willing to take in case my trade did not go to how I planned it. So if you are going long or you want to buy, all you need to do is place your take profit and your stop loss. And if you want to sell, your take profit will be down and your stop loss will be up. I have previously done a video showing you how to set your stop loss and take profit. I will link that in the description. I will link it in the description, or you go to my channel Smart Idea TV and just go through the videos and you will find it. But in this video, it is my main responsibility in this video is to show you how to calculate your stop loss and take profit. You already know what stop loss means and take profit. I want to show you how to calculate it. So let's get into it. Okay, welcome back. This is what you do if you want to take a trade, and I believe you know how to take a trade. Before you take a trade, you must choose a currency pair that you want to trade with. For instance, I want to trade GBP USD. I will click on it and it will give me this. I'll just click on open chart. Once I click on open chart, I will have to analyze my chart. And talking about analysis, immediately after this video, the next video you see is I will show you how to analyze your trade before opening a trade. Now, assuming I've already analyzed my trade with what I have, I believe GBP USD in 1 hour, in 1 day, you can see D1 is going long. That is going up. I want to buy. All I'll do quickly is I'll just click on this plus sign, the plus sign here, and you see I have my trade open. So the first thing I'll do before calculating anything is just to take. I've already analyzed that I want to buy. I'll just click on buy. Once I click on buy, you can see it is already placed buy. Now the thing is running, but as it is not all right because I have not set my take profit and stop loss. So how do I do that? Simple. You see this where you have what you have here is you have GBP USD. That is the trade running. GBP USD buy. I'm using 0.01 lot. That is the micro lot, 0.01. If you're a beginner, I want you to start with that lot size. 0.01 is preferable at the beginning, so that you won't lose so much money. Though if you are gaining, you might not gain so much more. But for practice purpose, I want you to start with the 0.01. Though it's not compulsory, you can start with the standard lot if you want. But my aim here is to show you how to calculate, and it is simple. Let me show you something. The figure you have here, the figure you have here, 1.3426 is this figure is the current market price, CPM, current market price. Let me change the color so that you can see very well. Current market price, this is it. 1.3426. And you know, in Forex, if you are dealing with this, except the Japanese yen, like you are dealing with GBP, USD card, the figures are always quoted in 5 numbers. 1 point so 5 number at the end of the point. But in this case, you don't work with the last zero. We don't work with the last zero. We don't work with the last zero. You don't work with the last zero. You don't work with the last zero. What you work with is just the 4 numbers after the point. The last one is called pipette, and we don't want to make use of the pipette. What you want to make use of is the number there, 1.3426. This is what we want to work with. This is what we want to work with. 1.3426. You have to forget about the zero. The zero is called pipette. It does not really count in forex trading. You don't it is called pipette and you don't use it. So this is what you want. So the current market price is 1.3426. Now let's get into it. To now calculate the take profit and stop loss, all you need to do is just long press on what you have here, GPUSD. Just long press on it. Once you long press on it, you see an interface like this. So you see close order, new order, modify order chart. Click on modify order. Once you click on modify order, you have a green, you see some numbers 0000. Let me show you so that you do it very well. This is where you want to input the take profit, and this is where you want to input the stop loss. I've already done a video on that. You can check my channel. What I want to do is to show you how to calculate the take profits. Now, the current market price, I told you the other time, is 1.3426. And if what your trade is a buy, and what we've placed is a buy, we've placed a buy trade, and what we currently have running is a buy. So this is what you do. You first write the current market price. If your desired pip target, that is the profit you want, let's say is 30 pips or 40 pips, or you are working with ratio 1 to 3. In this case, it means you are ready to take ratio 1 loss to ratio 3 profit. That means if your stop loss, you can put stop loss at 10. It means your take profit will be at 30. So this is what you want to do. The current market price is 1.3426. Now, because it is a buy that we've taken, we just do plus 30. You write 30 directly like this, just the way I'm showing you. That's the way you should do it. So you now add it together. This is 6, this is 5, this is 4, and this is 3, then 0.1. This is the take profit. We are working with the take profit. That is your take profit. So what you do is simple. You see this green line, you have some digits there, 000. All you need to do is just go to, just click on before the first zero. That is the place. Just click here. Just click here before that zero. Just click on it. Once you click on it, hope you've not forgotten our calculation. Our calculation is this. Current market price is 1.3426 plus 30, because we are working with a buy. Your answer is 653.4.1. So how do you now calculate this? Just go here before the first zero, the green area. That's the take profit. Here is the take profit. Here is the stop loss. So the take profit, just click here. Hope you've not forgotten our answer is 1.3456. So you now go here, click here, and start imputing the number 1.3456. I told you, forget about the last digit. It's a pipette. You don't need it. So that is your take profit. So the next thing you need to do is modify. Just write modify. You can see it is done. You can see if you long press here, if you click on it, you can see take profit under here is already imputed. Before there was nothing there. It's already imputed. Now let us go back. We want to work with the stop loss. The stop loss, the current market price, you have not forgotten, is 1.3426. So since we are working with ratio 1:3 and we've taken our take profit to be 30, so we have to calculate this one to be, we just write 10. This is 10 minus, minus 10. You are minusing 10 from it because we are working with take profit. This one will be up while the stop loss will be down. So your answer is 61341. So since your answer stop loss, this is stop loss. We are working with stop loss now. So you have to minus the stop loss. You had the take profit since it is a buy. So your answer is 3416. So let us impute it. We've already imputed the take profit. Let us impute. You just long press on this, then you have this modify order. Then you now put that one there. 3.1416. That is it. You know, it's not giving us because already the price has overtaken. We have taken long in doing this. So the price is not giving us. You can see not putting. If not, you will have seen this modify. But let us work with 20. Once you minus 20 in it, let us work with 20. You just have 3406. So that is what you have. 1 point. Okay. 1.14. No. It's 3406. 3406. No, 1 point. Okay, sorry. Is 1 point. So you can see modify is coming out. Then you click on modify. So we've already said, if you click here, you see we have our stop loss and our take profit there. Before it was not there. So what is the essence of having a stop loss and take profit? The essence is just for you to be able to have a relaxed mind. Once you've done your analysis and you've calculated your stop loss and take profit, just put it and go away. You can leave it, you can close your trade. When you come back, if your prediction is correct, then you have your trade, it will have closed and you have your profit. If not, it will have gone to your stop loss, will not enable you to have so much losses, because already you know your calculation is that I've already calculated for uh 1 to 3, ratio 1 to 3. That is, the loss is 1 ratio 1, the profit is ratio 3. And don't forget, we are using a very small lot size. And once you are starting, don't use your real account. You don't have to use your real account. Just start with a demo account. You have to use your for any strategy or anything you want to do as a beginner. You don't have to use your real account. Use your demo account. Demo simply means practice. You are practicing, so you are not losing any money, but you are learning. And anything that you don't practice, you don't get better at it. By practicing, you are getting better. And that is just the way to calculate your take profit and stop loss. Hope you have got value from this. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing now. Hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that when next I come your way again, when next I release video, you'll be the first to be notified. Until I come your way again, don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.